Guys, so recipe is an Indian mackerel. It's very simple how just to fry an Indian mackerel. It's the Indian mackerel. It's for 3 pieces is like $3. Cumin, and of course turmeric. And you'll reverse the fish. Massage the cumin and turmeric on the other side. Very, very simple and very, very healthy. And this time we're gonna fry them in canola oil only. Salt in there. Perfect. Spread some pepper as well. So that's done. We're just gonna let it sit for like a few minutes and we'll prepare it for frying. Oil here. We'll place it here. We're gonna make sure you have enough. So we place it there and we'll let it sit in the frying pan for like 3 minutes on each side. We'll cover it. And we made the fire into high. We're gonna slow down the fire. You're gonna turn off the fire. And then let it sit for a minute and reverse them so that you won't be fish now. You can feel it when it's just done because she's gonna be just okay with her. She's almost done. So what we did is we turn off the heat now because she's ready. Turn off the heat. And we'll just let it wait and look at that. Look at that. Indian mackerel fried fish. And since we have frozen banana leaves here in Asia, we can just get fresh banana leaves. This one's a product of Thailand. I usually use this. You can defrost this. You can just wrap them with banana leaves before you serve, and it's just very, very delicious and smells so good. That's another secret of doing that. Yeah, you can use the banana leaves. Okay. You can wrap it in the banana leaves and put it in the freezer. And you're just gonna place it in the microwave if you're ready to eat. So that's how you just simply fry an Indian mackerel fish. Very well done. Tasty with the cumin, the pepper.